Hello again. This is another part of my kind of one-axis CNC. Well, it's not a one-axis CNC, but this is the first axis that I've ever built. So from now on, I can develop on this thing or build another thing with two axes or more, or three or whatever. So I've tried to mount the motor. I didn't seem to find a perfect way to mount it. Anyway, just mounted this piece of wood right here with some two screws on top of this. Then I used this screw and drilled the hole so that I can mount the motor. It kind of was hanging out a little bit, as you can see over there, and I inserted another piece of wood in there just to balance the motor a little bit, and I had glue all that around so it'll stick just for the test. And I needed to find another screw just looking like this one, but a longer one, so it can reach like over here, because there is no wood in here. I should have thought about it and kept this piece not cut, and that would have helped, because I can find like shorter ones. Yeah, I got one, but yeah, here it is, but it doesn't fit. It's a little bit thick. Alright. Yeah, you can see the driver. That's the L298 driver, stepper driver. I just attached the coils or the motor to it so I can run some tests. Yeah, I fixed this metal thing that is I don't know, the slider or whatever it is called. I use like these screws just to hold it. They like got against it, so they hold it in place. And I also added some hot glue in there. You can see it in there. Alright, and that's pretty much it. I kinda got like a problem with the belt, so when I'm going like this, at this part over here it gets stiffer. I don't know why is that, but I think it is. So I think because the difference of diameters between the pulley and the shaft of the motor. So you can see the pulley is much wider, and you can see the belt how it's gotten now. Like, I don't know, it gets stiff, and when it goes over there it's like smoother, yeah. See, now I get to move the whole thing with it, but when you go over there it's alright. Yeah. It is kinda like lighten up. I don't know. Well, I think I'm generating some current with the coils attached. So that's the thing. Yeah, I got another thing about the belts going up and down on the onto the shaft. I don't think that's a big deal. Anyway, I mean, that's how far we got. I'm gonna just I need to get some rest. Not that I did a lot on this project, but got other things to do. Anyway, so yeah, next time we'll attach the Arduino and write some code and try to test it, and maybe we'll add some buttons just to to control the movements left and right, just like I'm using two buttons, something like that. So that's it for this part. I hope you enjoyed, and goodbye or whatever, or see ya. Yeah.